what is Super Brands. Super Brands is not a contest. It's not about good, better, best. It's about the consistent delivery of the brand promise, making it the brand. What is Emcor's brand promise? We empower lives. Does Emcor empower lives? Very good. So, if it consistently delivers the brand promise, may tatak ang Emcor. Mapagkakatiwalaan, maaasahan. Ay kaya siya Super Brands. Tama? Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much. And what does Super Brands and Emcor have in common? It's called partnership. When you go into a journey, into the unknown, even a new chapter in your personal lives, you may be starting by yourself. But as you journey, you find your tribe. Yes, Your Honor? No, Your Honor? And when you succeed, they say it takes a village. It takes partners to succeed. People who are behind you and with you in this journey towards Arabian Nights. We have recognized Emcor as a super brand since 2011 because it consistently delivers its brand promise. May integridad, kaya siya may tatak, kaya siya may pangalan. And now, as you launch your new roadmap, I know there are surprises for tonight. I also have a surprise for you. I brought today a plaque for Super Brands, and I would like to give this to Emcor tonight. To mark this mid-year milestone, I call my beautiful assistant on stage. I would like to present and formally turn over the Super Brand seal to no other than the President and CEO of Emcor, Mr. Reynaldo Panaligan.